Have you ever received a PDF report or document and wished you could turn it into a proper PowerPoint presentation without rebuilding every single slide from scratch? That process used to take hours. With VelaPDF's PDF to PowerPoint tool, you can convert any PDF into a fully editable PPT file in just a few clicks. Let me show you exactly how. VelaPDF is a complete online PDF toolkit that lets you handle all your document needs directly from your browser. It offers tools for compression, conversion, merging, OCR, watermarking, workflow automation, and much more, all without installing any software. Today, we're diving into one of its most time-saving tools, PDF to PowerPoint. Whether you're a student, teacher, business professional, or marketer, this tool is going to completely change how you work with documents. How to use PDF to PowerPoint. Let's get straight into it, step by step. Step 1. Open the tool. Head over to VelaPDF.com and open the PDF to PowerPoint tool from the main dashboard. No account needed, no software to install, just open it and you're ready. Step 2. Upload your PDF. Drag and drop your PDF file onto the screen or click the Upload button to select it from your device. The file uploads quickly and you're ready to move forward. Step 3. Check your settings. Select the conversion option and review any file settings if needed. VelaPDF keeps this simple. There's no complicated configuration required. Just make sure everything looks right before you proceed. Step 4. Click Convert. Hit the Convert button and let VelaPDF do the work. The tool automatically processes your PDF and begins transforming it into a PowerPoint file right away. Step 5. Conversion happens automatically. VelaPDF converts your PDF into a fully editable PPT file in seconds. Your content, layout, and structure are carried over so you don't have to start from zero. Step 6. Download your file. Once conversion is complete, download your PowerPoint file instantly. Open it in Microsoft PowerPoint.
Real use cases. Let's talk about who this tool is actually for. And the answer is a lot of people. Students can convert lecture notes and study material PDFs into editable slides they can customize, highlight, and annotate for better learning. Teachers can take existing PDF resources and turn them into classroom-ready presentations without rebuilding everything manually. Business professionals can convert PDF reports or proposals into polished PowerPoint decks for meetings and client presentations in minutes. Marketers can repurpose existing PDF content into visual slide decks for campaigns, pitches, or social media. And anyone who regularly receives PDFs but needs to present information visually will find this tool incredibly useful in their daily workflow.
Why it's useful. The biggest advantage of VelaPDF's PDF to PowerPoint tool is the time it saves you. Recreating slides manually from a PDF is one of the most tedious and time-consuming tasks in document work. You have to reformat text, redo layouts, reinsert images, and fix spacing, all of which can take hours depending on the document size. This tool eliminates all of that completely. Your PDF becomes an editable presentation in seconds, and because everything runs in your browser, there's nothing to download or set up. It works on any device, anywhere, anytime. Ready to convert your first PDF? Visit VelaPDF.com today. Open the PDF to PowerPoint tool and get your editable presentation file in seconds. It's free and works directly in your browser. No installation required. If this video helped you, please give it a like and hit that subscribe button so you never miss our latest tutorials. Turn on notifications to be the first to know when we upload new content covering tech tools, AI, and productivity tips. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.